Hey, I'm not complaining. I'm shooting with the Sony zv1F and I'm doing my vlog. Oh yeah, I'm holding it like I will hold my Action 3 and GoPro Hero 10. Oh, what a sunny day, and the sun is there at the 11 o'clock position. So let's go out, just grab some fun, because this is my review camera, not my vlogger's camera. Let's get rolling. It's showtime. Hey, I'm not complaining. I'm shooting with the Sony zv1F and I'm doing my vlog. Oh yeah, I'm holding it like I will hold my Action 3 and GoPro Hero 10. Oh, what? Hey, my head's chopped off. I gotta back up some. All right. Now, my first con is screen orientation. I got it tilted just like so. And if I want to tilt it just up, this is facing the camera, right? This is the camera lens. I want to tilt it up, it's upside down. Sony, you need to fix that. You need to allow us to correctly have the tilt locked on and not orient rotation. Wait a second, I may have to go into the camera. So I do apologize if I didn't look at that. I don't have the time to figure it out. And yeah, that's why, I prefer my GoPro as my vlogging camera. No worries, but let's get on and continue this review. A little vlog stuff. Let's get out of here. I miss one good thing is the, on button that is, dummy. What you call that thing? Auto on record? You got it. Quick start. And this don't have quick capture, quick start. And that is something that I love in the camera. If this is a vlogger's camera, why doesn't it have it? Did I miss it in the settings? I'll check it out again. Now this is not a shot you want to film at when the sun's above you, in front of you, but you get the idea of the shot. They took the seats away. Now, my glasses, they're sunglasses, and I can see the screen dull, for sure. If I take them off, it's the same thing. It's not that super bright. But let me turn around for you, and I'll rotate, and you let me know how it is. The sun's right here. It's up high. And this should be a lot better when the sun is correctly facing me. Well, it's not the best. Oh, let me turn the camera around. Let me get the zoom going. Oh man, you're gonna miss those shots. Watch the swans take off. Now, I don't have a high zoom. It is what it is. I don't expect it to be any good. Oh, I got everything all turned around on me. For me, the camera's missing one important essential feature. It's called horizon balance. Action cameras have horizon balance, don't they? So should a vlogger's camera. Well, action cameras got that USB Type-C port. We got a 3.5 millimeter port on the 1F. It would have been even better if they also included USB Type-C port as a mic. There's a lot we could talk about, a whole bunch of it. Well, this is a vlogger's camera, and I'm making it a review camera. So I just ordered the Ulanzi W1 along with the step-up ring 40.45 millimeters, 54 millimeters that will fit it. That goes on to the Sony ZV1. So this will give me that little extra wideness room I need to give me that action camera feel. I can't see the screen, so I know this is going to be my review camera. Off I go. Yes, indeed. I got noise. I got brightness to darkness, I got the sun on my back, all the wrong shots. Hopefully the camera did just fine with the 1-inch sensor. Well, off I go, and out of here I go. If Sony made an action camera, and they do, if they made this the action camera real small, I'll be in on one in a heartbeat. Yes, indeed. I don't need Catalyst browser when I'm holding a hand on a bicycle nice and smooth. But I will put a video on Catalyst browser and it'll do just mighty fine. I'm happy to say this is an excellent review camera for me. It'll sit on a tripod, stationary, capturing the shots, doing the job that I needed to do. On that note, I am Fish. I want to see how long Catalyst browser does my clips and how much more it'll crop me in. Oh yes indeed, the camera will do just fine. Yes indeed. On that note, what would you get if you had the funds? Would you go get an FX30 and ride along on a bicycle and holding on that stick and get the best lens in the world? Or would you get a Sony zv1F and just enjoy the fun with the camera that you have? I'm Fish, and I see you on many other videos to come. I'm out of here.